Okay, sit back in the couch. Keep going back. There you go. Alright. There you go. Good boy. Do you love your baby? Can you give him a kiss? What a good boy.
Huh?
What's your baby's name? What's his name? Is that Asher? Uh-oh. Be nice. Can you say Asher?
I see.
Yeah. Careful. Put your arm under the baby. There you go. Good job.
Scratch.
His hands, be gentle.
Don't touch.
Say blue.
You see the bears on his feet?
Is it white?
Yeah. The roar.
Can you tell me what a bear says?
White.
Roar. Show mommy your stinky face.
Let me see.
Where's your stinky face?
Let me see your stinky face.
Say blue.
Gentle. You gotta be careful. The baby's little. Is the baby little?
Alright, that's enough.
Okay.